Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about one of the government scheme which was in limelight from past few months, and today it is seen as a ray of hope amid this pandemic situation. Due to the sudden lockdown and resultant job losses, over 1 crore people have returned to their homes, some walking hundreds of kilometers, others using all conceivable means of transport. A sizable number may take several months to return to the cities and towns to earn a living. The extraordinary scenario of a pandemic possesses a formidable challenges for the government of the home state to arrange a suitable job opportunities for securing their livelihood. In this scenario, MG Narega is providing a ray of hope. So now let's see what MG Narega is. MG Narega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005. This is a labor law and social security measure that aims to guarantee the right to work. This was first proposed in 1991 by P.V. Narasimha Rao. Now let's see the objective of this scheme. The first one is to enhance the livelihood security of the rural poor by generating wage employment opportunities. And the second one is to create a rural asset based on which would enhance productive way of employment, augment and sustain a rural household income. Let's see how this MG Narega is revived during this times of COVID. The importance of MG Narega scheme is now accepted by one and all. No wonder that with its hand tied due to COVID-19 crisis, the state government are struggling to ensure remunerative work in village for large workforce. The central government, after considering all options and in order to provide job support to the large workforce which has or is reaching native villages, has acted rationally and announced another rupees 40,000 crore allocation for MG Narega scheme. MG Narega data shows that job demand was highest in 8 years. Over 45 crore person days have been generated in 45 days of 2020-21 since work began on 20 April. MG Narega is the only viable option at present to provide relief and work to the laborers due to lockdown imposed in light of COVID-19. It appears to be the primary hope of sustaining livelihood in almost all the states. Union Rural Development Ministry has also told states to focus on giving work involving individual asset creation that requires maximum 4 to 5 workers. Under MG Narega, individual asset creation involves building farm ponds, digging wells, horticulture related activities among others. Let us see what the innovation which are needed in the current scheme so that it can benefit more to the needy. The first one is to bring the skilled workers to meet the wage cost of their employment in small and medium enterprises. These workers can be employed. Accordingly, skilled migrant workers may be placed in SMEs and their wage would be charged to Manrega. Now they can be included in farm related works. In last few years, remunerative price of several crops have been the root cause of widespread agrarian distress. Suggesting is to allow farmers to employ MG Narega workers in agriculture operations like land preparation, sowing, transportation of paddy, plucking of cotton, intercultural operation and harvesting of crops, etc. So as to reduce the cost of cultivation. The idea is to pay part of the wages of labor in agriculture operations for MG Narega. And the third one, by increasing number of work scheme. Currently there are only 2 to 3 work schemes running per panchayat, leading to crowding of workers at work site. So to prevent this and ensure that all willing households are able to access employment through Narega, the number of schemes needed to be increased and 6 to 8 schemes must be introduced in each village. Coming on the fourth one, we can also pay those workers which are employed through MG Narega immediately, because it is often seen that Narega payments are frequently delayed by weeks or months. Since rural households urgently need cash in hand, so wage payments must be paid in cash and paid on the same day. And the other method is by modifying the daily workloads. In compliance with COVID 19 guidelines, workers are wearing masks and other forms of face protection, due to which they are finding it challenging to breathe comfortably while working. So the daily volume of work assigned to them can be reduced. And the last method is by increasing their wages to effectively support rural household as they are coping with this crisis. The Narega wage must at a minimum be at par with the state's agriculture wages. For example, the government of Odisha has increased the daily wage rate for unskilled manual worker under Narega to rupees 298 rupees per day in its 20 migration prone blocks. Now, since the adverse impact of COVID-19 pandemic on employment is going to persist in 2020 to 2021 also, so the government can ensure more effective implementation and strengthening of the oversight of MG Narega through mandated social audit. Thank you.